Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with a new and latest video especially for you. Today we are diving into the beautiful world of crochet pattern and DIY design, a space where creativity meet mindfulness and passion can grow into a thriving business. Whether you are beginner or a experienced businessman, especially in crafter, this video will inspire you with design ideas, mindful benefits of crochet, and tips to turn your handmade art into a source of income. Crochet is not just about making pretty things, it's a practice of mindfulness. With every loop, every stitch, and every row, your mind slows down. The rhythm of yarn and the hook brings calm, helping you release stress and focus on the present moment. Studies even show that crochet or knitting reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and improve mental well-being. When you create something with your own hands, you are just making an item. You are weaving peace into your daily life. So the next time you pick up your hook and yarn, remind yourself this is not just a craft, it's a form of medication. Now let's talk about some creative crochet pattern ideas you can try. Beginner friendly crochet is a part. First, simple circles or square coaster with bright color make great practice project. You can start cute crochet animals and dolls that bring joy to kids and adults alike. It's perfect for home and decor, especially when mixed with up beads and feathers. You can decorate your home, your room, especially in upcoming Xmas, Christmas parties. Second, reusable market bags also is very helpful for you because eco-friendly, stylish, and practical. You can also use seasonal items like this upcoming Christmas ornaments, Easter eggs, or fall pumpkin decor. Pumpkin like Jack and Sky, Halloween. Wearables, you can also use these ideas in wearable things, headbands, screwers, or summer tops made with lightweight yarn. Each of these projects not only gives you a chance to explore your creativity but also creates product that people love to buy. As I already says, you can use it small business. Now if you are wondering how to turn your crochet passion into a business, here are some steps you can easily follow this. Start small. Begin by making items for friends and family. Their feedback will guide you and you can promote your products. Choose an issue. Instead of making everything focus on one category like baby items, eco bags, or home decor, and can also promote on social media, like open an Etsy shop, use Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok to showcase your creations and products. Short crochet reels play performed really well. Storytelling matter. Share the story